If you're a new musician, you might be wondering, how do I get my music on Spotify and share it with the world? Well, you're not alone. Many artists face this problem when starting out, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly how to set up your account and get your music heard. So first of all, you're gonna need to go to the Spotify for Artists website to start. Then link your Spotify account to the platform and claim your artist profile. So once you're set up, you can easily upload your music through a digital distributor like DistroKid or TuneCore. These services are going to help you get your songs on Spotify. You could also customize your artist profile with photos, bio, and playlists. So don't forget to track your streaming data and to see how your music is doing. All right? So now that you're ready to share your music with the world, get started today. Let your music shine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment for more helpful tips. Let me know what kind of music you do. I'm interested. Love ya.